Hi everyone, this is Hilal Ahmed and you are watching CodingZest. Welcome to Jetpack Compose course. And in this course, you will learn all the fundamentals of Jetpack Compose, and I will also show you how you can use those fundamentals to create a beautiful Android application UI. So the first thing is, what is Jetpack Compose? Jetpack Compose is a modern toolkit for building native Android UI. We use Jetpack Compose for creating our application UI, and before Jetpack Compose, we were using the XML for our UI. Now we will look into the features of Jetpack Compose and why we need to use it. So the feature of Jetpack Compose are here. The first one is list code. So we are using Jetpack Compose for building our UI. So we need to write list code. Okay. And the second one is intuitive. Intuitive means that you just need to describe your UI and the Compose takes care of the rest. Your UI will automatically update according to your application state, and this feature will accelerate your development time. So accelerate development time means that Jetpack Compose is also compatible with existing XML. So if you have any existing project or existing application which is built in your XML, so you can slowly migrate your XML to Jetpack Compose, and you don't need to migrate your whole app at once. And the last one is powerful. Powerful means that you can directly access Android platform APIs while using Jetpack Compose, and built-in support for material design, dark theming and animation, and much more. Now you will ask why we will use Jetpack Compose when the XML is available. So by using Jetpack Compose, we don't need to write XML code. We just need to write the Kotlin code for UI and the functionality or logics. Okay. And Jetpack Compose is declarative UI like Flutter and React Native, so you can give it a try. And as I also told you, Jetpack Compose is compatible with XML, so you can use Jetpack Compose in your already existing project which are built in XML. So that's it for this video, guys, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and the bell notification option is on so you won't miss the upcoming Jetpack Compose videos.